Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenner Rendra Fernando. I am a student of AB class in the Electrical Engineering Study Program at the PLN Institute of Technology. I am also an employee of PT PLN Nusantara Power Services, where my routine activity as an electrical technician at Amurang Power Plant, which is located in South Minas Sargensi, North Sulawesi Province. One of the courses given is Engineering English, with the teaching lecturer being Ma'am Grace. Uh, we call Ma'am Grace. From the start, we were invited to be interactive using English, starting from introducing ourselves to delivering short speeches. We were also taught about technical English word related to work. And what is very important is that we are given insight into techniques in English grammar, such as passive voice with the meaning of passive sentence, with which emphasize the person or object affected by the action rather than the subject doing it. The object that receives or is affected by action will be placed at the beginning of the sentence. Example of sentence: this teacher is loved by many people. In Indonesian, guru tersebut dicintai oleh banyak orang. Next, adjective clause is dependent clause that modificate or change noun. Exactly, it gives a few, introduce or give more information about noun. Example of sentence: it is a must for all those whose mother tongue is not English to join the English class. In Indonesian, suatu keharusan bagi semua orang yang bahasa ibunya bukan bahasa Inggris untuk mengikuti kelas bahasa Inggris. Next, noun clause. A noun clause is a combination of words consisting of a subject and a verb that function as a noun. Noun clause can also be used as objects, or object of preposition in English sentence. Example of sentence: I hope that you enjoy your day off. In Indonesian, aku harap kamu menikmati hari liburmu. Next, modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are members of the auxiliary verb capital function to provide additional meaning such as ability, obligation or strong desire, permission, expectation or wish or hope or prayer, suggestion or advice and possibility. Example of sentence: we must study hard. In Indonesian, kita harus giat belajar. Next, adverb clause is an adverb that is used to modify a verb, adjective or sentence. Example of sentence: as soon as you trust yourself, you will know how to win this competition. In Indonesian, segera setelah kamu mempercayai diri sendiri, kamu akan mengetahui bagaimana memenangkan kompetisi ini. Next, conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a complex sentence or compound sentence. It is formed from a subordinate clause which begins with the subordinate conjunction if in the form of a condition and the main clause in the form of result or consequence. Example of sentence: if you press this button, the machine will work with a loud sound. In Indonesian, Jika Anda menekan tombol ini, maka mesin akan bekerja dengan suara nyaring. Next, polite request. A polite request is a form of polite question to ask for permission or ask for help. Example of sentence. Would you like to see my handicraft? In Indonesian, maukah Anda melihat kerajinan tangan saya? Overall, the technical English language learning techniques that we learn are very useful for us students to improve the quality of our English language. Okay, that's it. And I am apologize if the arrangement or pronunciation of words and sentence in English are not appropriate and are not understood. This is a mandatory task that I have to do, and please understand because I am still in the learning stage. May we all always be healthy and strong and blessed by God Almighty. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.